Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Moto G82, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap on the sounds and vibration. Here you will see the media, call, ringtone, notification and alarm volume panels. Just to change them, we should slide that dot to the left or to the right side with our finger. Here we can also see the Dolby items. You can turn them on or turn them off. Just here read all the description script to just allow, and you can switch the smart audio to music, movie, game, audio, podcasts. Also here we can see the don't disturb mode. We can turn it on or turn it off, set a shadow. We can turn on or turn off the crystal call. Also here we have the multi-volume, so we can turn on or turn off this feature. After that, let's just go back, and here we can see that our device have just two SIM slots, and we can set two different just ringtones on each of the SIM card. We can use the live caption here, so we can turn them on by click on the switcher. We can turn them off. Here we can also change the language to show sound labels, to activate the live caption and volume control function, and also we can set the vibrations for calls, to turn on or turn off the shortcut to prevent ringing. We can change the notification sound and alarm sound. Also we can turn on or turn off the dial pad tones, the call vibration, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, touch vibration, power on and power off sounds. So just to turn on or turn off all of these options, we should click on each of the switchers this way. We can also pick up device to silence, so just to turn it on, click on the switcher. To turn it off, just click on the switcher again. And after that, we can also see here the feature to flip for D&D and media control, so we can also turn on or turn off them. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.